Hi, I am Teacher Paul. Today we are talking about the human body and the organs. Are you ready? Let's go.
What organ is this? This is the gallbladder. It stores bile, a green-yellow liquid that breaks up fatty foods. What organ is this? This is the heart. It is the size of your fist.
What organ is this? This is the eye. Iris is the colored part, and the pupil is the black spot.
What organ is this? This is the intestines. The small intestine breaks down food, while the large intestine absorbs water and forms poop. What organ is this? This is the stomach. It is like a J-shaped bag that gets energy from food.
What organ is this? This is the ear. Each ear has 3 sections: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear.
What organ is this?
This is the bladder.
It is like a stretchy, balloon-shaped bag that holds urine or pee. What organ is this? This is the teeth. You have 32 permanent teeth. They are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars.
What organ is this? This is the skin. It is your largest organ. It's always working, making new cells.
What organ is this? This is the skeleton. Babies have 300 bones, but adults have 206 because some bones join together.
What organ is this? This is the tongue. It is a flexible muscle that helps you talk, eat, and taste sweet, sour, salty, bitter.
What organ is this? This is the lung. It fills with air and gives us energy.
What organ is this? This is the liver. It cleans blood, stores energy, and makes bile. What organ is this? This is the kidneys. They are super important filters in your body, shaped like kidney beans. What organ is this? This is the brain. Your brain is the supercomputer in your head, protected by your skull. Now it is your turn to practice. Click the link below. Goodbye.